how to install drivers on your Asus laptop. So if you've accidentally uninstalled a driver or you just want to go and install the latest drivers, I'm going to show you how to do this on your Asus laptop. Now the first step is to find your model number of your computer. Now to do this, open up the Start menu, search for System Information and click on this window. You could then come down to the system model and you'll see here it will say Asus laptop and then followed by a series of numbers. Now these numbers are essentially your model number. So what we can do is go and open up an internet browser and in the address bar type in Asus drivers and press enter. You can then click on this top website here. Now come down to the model number and click on the search box. This is where you need to go and search for your model name. Now you can try to click on automatically detect this computer's serial number and sometimes it will automatically be able to find your computer's model. Now once your computer's been found, you should be able to see it in this right hand side. You can then click on driver and tools. You can then scroll down and select your operating system, and this is where we can go and download any drivers for our Asus laptop. So you have things here like your audio drivers, network drivers, and also graphic drivers as well. So to give you an example of how this works, I'm going to download this Bluetooth driver. Once it's finished downloading, click on your downloads folder and then go and open up this file. You can then simply go through the steps in order to install this onto your computer. Once you've finished, you would have now installed the latest driver to your Asus laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.